Welcome to Lotus of Motivation channel. The moon doesn't just light the night sky, it holds sway over our emotions, instincts, and subconscious reactions. And when it passes through Capricorn, the Zodiac's most disciplined and pragmatic sign, the energy shifts dramatically. From June 8th to June 14th, a Capricorn moon is here to ground us, challenge us, and most importantly, warn us. But this isn't your average lunar transit. This week carries 5 urgent cosmic warnings that every sign needs to know. Whether you're a fiery Aries, a sensitive Pisces, or a fellow Earth sign like Taurus or Virgo, the Capricorn moon impacts your world in ways you may not expect. Why is this week special? Because Capricorn doesn't play. It's ruled by Saturn, the taskmaster planet of karma, time, and hard-earned lessons. And under this energy, the moon demands growth, but only through truth, responsibility, and sometimes discomfort. It's a sink or swim vibe, and if you're not paying attention, you might miss the critical messages the cosmos is trying to send. So if you want to stay ahead of emotional traps, relationship drama, and career pitfalls, read on. These are the Capricorn moon secrets you can't afford to ignore. Warning number 1, emotional suppression will backfire. Big time. When the moon moves into Capricorn, it brings a wave of discipline, focus, and emotional control. It's like the universe telling us, toughen up and get it done. Sounds productive, right? Maybe even empowering. Well, yes and no. From June 8th to June 14th, the Capricorn moon pushes us to stay strong and composed. But there's a catch. It can also lead us to ignore or suppress our emotions in the name of productivity and stoicism. The problem? Bottling up feelings now could cause them to explode later at the worst possible time. Think of it like this. Capricorn energy is like a dam. It holds everything in, even under pressure. But when the moon is involved, that emotional pressure keeps building until it has no choice but to burst. You might feel tempted to just deal with it and pretend everything's fine. But deep down, your emotional needs are calling out to be heard. And if you don't give them a voice, they'll find a way out. Through stress, burnout, or snapping at someone unexpectedly. Capricorn doesn't love emotional vulnerability, but that doesn't mean you can't be honest with yourself. Key tip: this week, structure your emotions instead of suppressing them. Write down what you're feeling, even if it feels silly. Talk it out with someone you trust. Get it out of your head and into a healthy outlet. You can stay grounded and emotionally aware. Think, logic and heart, working side by side. Who's most affected? Cancer, Libra and Aries. You're all cardinal signs who like to take charge. But this week, your instinct to push forward might clash hard with Capricorn's icy emotional vibe. Pay extra attention to how you're feeling, especially if you're trying to act like you're fine. Warning number 2, authority issues will surface own your power or get steamrolled. When the moon passes through Capricorn, it shines a harsh light on power, rules, and control. This isn't the week to ignore tension with your boss, parents, or anyone in a leadership role. From June 8th to June 14th, expect authority issues to come to the surface, and fast. Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, the planet of structure, discipline, and accountability. This energy forces us to look at the power dynamics in our lives and ask, who's really in charge? And should they be? If you've been giving your power away, playing it small, or avoiding conflict, this week may push you into a situation where you have no choice but to speak up. On the flip side, if you've been too controlling or inflexible, expect resistance from others. This is a cosmic call for balance, not dominance. This isn't about ego, it's about integrity and leadership. Key tip: Capricorn Moon. Energy rewards those who stay calm, focused, and strategic. If you're walking into a tough conversation with a manager, teacher, or partner, bring logic, not drama. Stick to the facts, prepare your points, and stay composed. Emotional outbursts? That's not going to land well this week. Want to win the power game? Play it like a Capricorn. Slow, steady, and smart. Who's most affected? Capricorn, Scorpio, and Leo. Your natural leadership vibes are in the spotlight, but the pressure's on. You're being asked to level up and use your authority wisely, not forcefully. If you've been misusing power or avoiding it entirely, the universe is ready to course correct. Bottom line, this week's cosmic energy is asking, are you owning your power or letting someone else control the narrative? Whether it's your job, your family, or your relationships, don't wait for someone else to set the rules. Step up, but do it with grace and strategy, not ego. Warning number 3, career crossroads. A choice must be made. When the moon moves through Capricorn, it turns up the volume on your career, goals, and long-term purpose. Between June 8th and June 14th, don't be surprised if you feel like you're standing at a major crossroads in your professional life. Stay or go. Speak up or stay quiet. Take the risk or play it safe. This week, those questions could feel louder than ever. The Capricorn Moon brings focus and drive, but also pressure. It wants you to build something real, but only if you're willing to commit. And if you're out of alignment with your job, purpose, or direction, that discomfort won't be easy to ignore. Capricorn energy doesn't tolerate aimlessness. It demands clarity and strategy. But be careful, this isn't about rushing into decisions. Saturn, Capricorn's ruling planet, rewards patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. A hasty career move now could do more harm than good. On the flip side, staying stuck in something that drains your soul isn't the answer either. Key tip: this is the perfect time to audit your career path. Ask yourself, what's actually working for me? What feels draining or pointless? What am I avoiding because it scares me? Use this week to reflect, not react. Then make a plan. Capricorn loves a solid game plan more than anything. Think steady progress, not instant success. Who's most affected? Virgo, Aquarius, and Gemini. Your sharp minds are great at analysing, but this week asks for more than analysis. It demands honesty and action. If something in your career feels off, don't ignore it. This is your sign to get real and get focused. Bottom line, you're standing at a fork in the road. The Capricorn Moon won't let you stay frozen. It's time to choose your direction, but choose it wisely. This isn't just about your next job move. It's about building the life you actually want. Warning number 4, :relationship, real talk, -superficial bonds will crack. The Capricorn Moon isn't here for games. From June 8th to June 14th, it brings a serious no-nonsense vibe to your relationships, and it's about to show you what's real and what's just convenient. Capricorn energy values loyalty, responsibility, and emotional maturity. It doesn't care about chemistry if there's no commitment. During this week, you may find yourself questioning whether certain people in your life are truly in it for the long haul or just taking up space. That means flaky, surface-level connections could start to feel extra shallow. You may notice someone always avoids accountability, or maybe you realise you've been giving more than you're getting. Whatever the case, this moon won't let you ignore it anymore. But it's not all doom and gloom. Strong relationship. They'll grow even deeper if you're willing to have the hard conversations. Capricorn energy pushes you to be honest, respectful, and direct. It's all about building something that lasts. Key tip: this week, don't dodge the real talk. If something's off in a relationship, romantic, friendly, or even family related, face it head on. Use Capricorn's grounded energy to express yourself clearly and calmly. These conversations might be uncomfortable, but they're necessary. Ask yourself, are we both showing up equally? Is this connection based on depth or just habit? Am I being honest with myself and the other person? This is a week of emotional accountability, not avoidance. Who's most affected? Pisces, Sagittarius, and Libra. You thrive on connection and harmony, but this week demands more. You'll need to dig deeper and ask the tough questions. Is this relationship authentic? Am I being truly seen and heard? Bottom line, if it's real, it will grow. If it's fake, it will fade. The Capricorn Moon gives you the strength to handle both. Don't be afraid to speak your truth. Your heart deserves something real. Warning number 5. Burnout is lurking. Self-care must be non-negotiable. Under the Capricorn Moon, hustle mode kicks in hard. From June 8th to June 14th, you may feel driven to push yourself to new heights, work longer, achieve faster, and be constantly on. That's the trap. Capricorn's work ethic is legendary, but even Capricorn knows that discipline without balance leads to burnout. And this week, if you're ignoring your body's whispers, don't be surprised if it starts shouting by midweek, especially around June 12th to 13th, when emotional tension peaks. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's about mental and emotional overload. If you're running on empty, your usual coping tools, coffee, powering through, brushing it off, may fall flat. The stress could hit harder and linger longer. Here's the truth: rest is not a weakness, it's a strategy. Capricorn energy rewards people who respect the process. That includes knowing when to push and when to pause. You wouldn't run a car at full speed without gas or maintenance, right? Same goes for you. Factor into your self-care. Don't just say, I'll rest when I can. Schedule it, protect it, treat your downtime like a priority meeting with yourself. Block time to unplug. Say no to one extra commitment. Go to bed on time, even if there's more to do. Real discipline is about doing what matters most, and that includes your health, clarity, and peace of mind. Who's most affected? Aries, Capricorn, and Taurus. Your ambitious streak is strong, but this week's energy is waving a red flag. Slow down before your body forces you to. You don't have to do everything at once. The smart move is pacing yourself. Bottom line, you don't need to earn your rest. You need to honor it. Capricorn teaches us to build legacies, not just to-do lists. And you can't build anything meaningful if you're running on fumes. Take care of your fuel. You've got goals, but you've also got a body and soul to protect. This Capricorn Moon isn't out to punish you. It's here to elevate you. From June 8th to June 14th, you're being asked to look at your life through a different lens. One that values truth over comfort, discipline over distraction, and growth over ease. It's not always a smooth ride, but it's exactly the energy we need to level up. These 5 warnings, they're not here to scare you. They're your cosmic heads up. The universe is shining a light on what's not working so you can make better choices moving forward. Whether it's your career, your relationships, your energy levels, or how you handle authority, it's all coming into focus for a reason. Capricorn energy is all about legacy. It asks, what are you building? And is it built to last? So don't run from the pressure, use it. Let it sharpen your vision, strengthen your boundaries, and focus your energy on what truly matters. Here's how to thrive this week. Be honest with yourself, even when it's hard. Take smart action, not impulsive leaps. Prioritize your well-being, no matter how busy life gets. Don't be afraid to let go of what's not aligned. Remember, this isn't about being perfect. It's about being purposeful. If you reflect and respond rather than react, this week could be a powerful turning point in your journey. The night sky your next move? Stay ready. Stay empowered. If you found these insights helpful, don't just keep them to yourself. Subscribe to our channel for more astrology updates, moon forecasts, and spiritual guidance tailored to real life. Every week, we drop content designed to keep you aligned, prepared, and fully in your power. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's navigate the stars together. Because when you work with the moon, not against it, you don't just survive the cosmic shift.